That's why you have to have sturdy furniture that won't blow away. Because trust me, we get our ass beat on the water when it's windy. If you notice the water, I'm gonna zoom in. It's called white caps. That means it's windy. You do not want to take a boat out there when you see white caps. See all those white little things in the water? That's called white caps. So again, a storm is coming. Everybody is hunkering down. Hopefully it'll pass. We already know we're going to be safe. Most people get their boats out the water because the wind will knock them up against like the dock and can damage them. But this is real life. I mean, this is Mother Nature. We don't like storms, can't help it, but it's something that we can't control.